Welcome back to Priya's Inspiration. Today I would like to talk about dream and vision, the difference between dream and vision. So everyone have dreams and everyone do dream about their career and the job and a good house or a good wife or anything, a good care, going abroad. Everyone do have dreams. But to fulfill our dreams, what must that we have? And we must have a clear, crystal clear vision that we should have to get the good success in our lives. So let me give you an example for this. Once there was a fisherman and he went to the pond one day and he was just catching the fish. Every time he's trying to catch a fish, he's getting a big fish, again he's dropping in the water. He's getting one more big fish and again he started dropping in the water. So the man who was standing there and started observing him since morning till evening, the fisherman was doing the same. And he went to the fisherman and asked, "What's wrong with you? For what reason you are sitting here?" He said, "Sir, I'm so tired. I'm trying to catch a fish." He said, "Of course, you're getting a fish, right? For what reason you're sitting here?" He said, "Sir, every time I'm trying to catch the fish, I'm getting a big fish, sir." "Of course, that's good that you're lucky to get a big fish every time that whenever you're trying to catch." He said, "No, sir, I'm sorry to say this. I have a small frying pan at my home where only a small fish can fit into that." See, he had a good dream to feed his family and children, but the only thing is he did not have a clear vision that he can cut that particular fish into the pieces. He can make it fry and feed his family and his children. But like this, everyone do have a dream and everyone do think that they have a vision, but until unless there is a crystal clear vision, that you cannot achieve anything. So my dear friends, today I would like to motivate you to have a crystal clear vision. For example, you have planned for a job. Put it on a paper. So this is the job I need, this is the company that I'm looking at, and this is the package that I'm looking for. Never compromise for the things. See, when you start, this is my personal experience which I'm sharing. If I wanted to have something, I start writing on a paper and start reading it, and I'll just keep the things, I preserve the things in my mind every time. And because I wanted to have a crystal clear vision to fulfill my dream. For this you need actually 4 things that you need to follow to get good success or to fulfill your dreams or whatever it is. Number one, it is called a direction. You must have a good direction in your life. When somebody trying to give you a direction, accept them, and at the same time and think how far you can just make it. For example, if you are going on a traffic and you can see the boards like this particular place you can take right or you can take left or a straight or a something. So obviously when you see the board and you will see the where is my destination and whether I need to take left or right, according to the particular arrow marks whichever you see in the direction boards, and you will go ahead, right? So that is what. Always have a direction, I mean to say the right direction in your life. And second thing is a dedication. Dedication is very important. Few people, they come to me and they say, "Ma'am, I wanted to become like this, that and all." But after that, I could sense them that they do not have a dedication. Please have a dedication all the time in your life. Unless you don't have a dedication, you cannot reach your goal. So be serious about it. If you wanted to have something, first direct yourself and dedicate yourself. Always have a dedication. This dedication always will help you to get success. And number 3, discipline. Discipline is very important. Few people I observe, they're very confident. "Come on, I can do this." Maybe you can do this within 2 hours, but I can do it within 30 minutes. And they say like that. Never be overconfident. See, let me tell you something. Do we expect corona? No, right? So you do not know what is tomorrow and what is day after tomorrow and what is tonight. So that is the reason, be on time and be confident, make the things in its time and don't postpone it. Never become an excuser. If you keep giving an excuses in life, you never get success. So number 3, that is discipline. Have a discipline. The disciplined life will get your success. And number 4 is determination. This is the 4th D, that which I would like to discuss. And determination, have a determination, that is a strong spirit. Like try to get feeling thirsty to get something, try to get achievements or something, because determination is very important. If you do have a direction, if you do have a dedication, if you do have a discipline, and also you must have a determination. Determination always stir your heart and makes you perfect. That inner heart always pokes you every time, no, you are doing something wrong, your goal is not this, your goal is that. So your determination always, it will just ring in your mind, it always follows you, and it always pokes you, and it always tells you something, come on man, and this is not your way. And when you have a determination, you never get tired, you never give excuses, and you never feel lazy, and you will be always active, and you'll be always positive, and you'll be always try to learn new things. My best suggestion for you is, if you wanted to get success in your life, please, before you're going to bed, try to recollect something, that what you have done since morning till night before you go to bed. If you do not know the single, a new thing, whichever it is, a new thing in your life, you do not learn, I'm sure you're very near to the dustbin in this particular competitive society. So please, whichever I discuss, to everyone do have a dreams, but have a clear vision. To have a clear vision, you must have a direction, you must have a dedication, you must have a discipline, and you must have a determination. Hope you enjoy this video, I'm sure, and this video will help you out. Thank you so much.